For over 40 years, the Elizabeth Bradley Turner Center for Continuing Education at Columbus State University has offered innovative educational training and personal enrichment opportunities for children, adults, and businesses, as well as community partners in and around the Columbus, Georgia area, both in the traditional classroom setting and with online courses. Whether you are just starting your career or wanting to position yourself for a future promotion, continuing education's courses are designed to elevate your workplace skills to the next level. Our certificate and certification prep programs in healthcare, project management, real estate, and financial planning can prepare you to enter a new field or launch you further to achieve success. But not all exercises of the mind are executed with career advancement as the set goal. Sometimes the end result is simply a more well-rounded and creative imagination. Our classes are designed to enable you to learn, create, and achieve more in the field that interests you the most. Classes that fit your lifestyle, ranging from photography to sewing, fiction writing to fitness. This place, this faculty, will stimulate both your body and your mind. And you never know, the hobby you enjoy today could be the career path you follow in the future. The mind never stops learning. Continue growing at the Elizabeth Bradley Turner Center for Continuing Education at Columbus State University.